Hello all. Today we'll talk about the Hadoop and its exam. So name of the programming language will be Hadoop Training. So guys, nowadays we will talk about the India market as well as the abroad. So there is a excellent demand of the Hadoop and big data. If you have a basic knowledge of SQL, otherwise Oracle, that will be good for you to understand this technology. Otherwise, if you have a basic knowledge of a little bit Java, like core Java or advanced Java, so will be easy for you to crack this international exam, and you can apply anywhere job as a Hadoop developer, as a Hadoop expert and Hadoop engineer. If you want to give the exam, so approximately duration will be 120 minutes and you have to score 70%, and cost you need to purchase a voucher from the international organization, otherwise cloudera.com, and you can purchase this voucher, and then after you can prepare for the exam. And if you want to crack the exam, so easily you can crack the exam. So these are the documentation which is required for the Hadoop training. So here this technology will be based on Python, also you can say Apache. So if you have a basic knowledge of Python, Apache, Linux, SQL, core Java, so definitely that will be good for you to make your career in Hadoop or big data. So this is the duration, and this is the cost, this is the exam code, right? So this is also obtained with CCS Spark. So you can plan your career, you can plan your certification knowledge on behalf of this training as well as the certification. So this is the small idea about the Hadoop and big data, and wish you all the best for your career and future. Thank you.